Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to a brand new tutorial on using Matplotlib. Now in the previous video we learned how to use the format string to change marker, lines and color. Now in today's video we'll learn how to change the size. So let me run this one more time here, and you can see that we have these markers and they are somewhat small. Maybe you can't see them very well, so let me change that for you and make it easy for you to see them. So the parameter we will use is called ms, stands for marker size, and let me set the size to be 20, why not, and see the difference here. And now you can see more clearly the size of the markers and the marker itself and the shape of the marker. What else we can do with the markers? We can change the MEC. And you may ask, what is MEC? MEC stands for marker edge color. Let me set that to be red. We have cyan and the edge should be red. So let's see that. And now you can see we have the edges of the marker are red. What else we can do? Well, let's see what else we can do. We can change the MFC, which is marker face color. What is that? Let's set it to be black and see exactly what is that. Wait for it to run, and you can see we changed the inside, not the edges, the inside of the marker color. All right. Is there anything we can change? Well, that's it basically. But here colors I used shortcut R for red, K for black, but of course we can use other types of colors or other color schemes. For example, we can use hexadecimal colors. For example, hashtag for CAF50. Let's see. Run, and you can see it's now green. So you have the option to use hexadecimals for more color control. Also, we can use HTML colors. For example, we can say black. Let's run. And here's black. Maybe we can use aqua. Let's run aqua and see. And this is the default. As you can see here, it matches with the lines. Maybe we can use some other is beige. Let's run it and see the output. And here's beige. I think beige is beautiful, but this is a matter of personal preferences. Of course, you can use anything that you want and see fits for your taste. So that's it for me guys in this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.